If you want to blur a license plate on a car like the one right there, or blur someone's face like I'm blurring mine right now, it's incredibly easy. Let me show you right now. First thing, of course, have the clip selected and have the playhead over it, and just hop over to the color tab. I'm going to show you on this license plate right here, but the same type of effect will work, just using over someone else's face. First thing you want to do is right here for this Windows tab, now that we're on the color page, go ahead and select that, and whatever shape you want to use, go ahead. You could use a circle for someone's face. You could go ahead and use this one right here if you want to draw whatever shape you want to, such as. But for this one, we're just going to go ahead and use a rectangle because we're just covering a license plate. So we're going to put the dot right in the middle there. You can go ahead and drag these white dots in or drag them around to change the size, but under transform here, I'm just going to lower the size like this and get it, boom, down to the size at which I would like it. Now, in order to track whatever object it is in the video, go ahead and right here, the tracker tab, click on that and make sure perspective 3D is unchecked. It can get a little wonky if you do leave that on, and we don't really need to track these items in 3D. Now make sure the playhead's right at the beginning of the clip and go ahead and click play, and it'll go ahead and track forward. There it goes, tracking the entire clip, and it's done that fast. And as you can see, as we play forward, it now tracks it around the clip, so it is always covered up. Now you can select whatever blur you want to use. Gaussian blur is used quite often, but mosaic is probably the most popular for that blurred face look. So go ahead and click and drag it over to the node right here. Once you drop it on, you see it blurred out already, and then you can adjust it to your liking, whether you're adjusting the pixel frequency, whether you're changing the shape of the pixels, or the aliasing. So we'll head back to the edit page and just go ahead and take a look, and bam, that license plate is perfectly blurred out.